The Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Library closed in March 2017 to undergo a $211 million modernization. When it reopens in 2020, the library will be the district's most important civic project since the opening of the Walter E. Washington Convention Center in 2003. Originally open to the public in 1972, the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Library was the first memorial in the country to be dedicated to Dr. King. On January 20th, 1986, D.C. celebrated the first Martin Luther King Jr. national holiday with the installation of a mural in the library's Great Hall. The mural depicts events in the life of Dr. King and the Civil Rights Movement. On the day of the unveiling, crowds lined around the block waiting for the opportunity to see the mural. Made of two 28 by 7 foot panels, it took artist Don Miller 2 years to research and paint the mural.
I remember very distinctly walking into that building for the first time and staring at the mural and studying the figures and trying to recognize some of the names and going back to all my studies, recognizing certain events. It signified that this is a learning institution. And not only is it a learning institution, it is an institution that is focused on issues around social justice.
Unfortunately, 30 years displayed in the Great Hall have taken its toll on the mural. On June 8, 2017, Mayor Muriel Bowser hosted a ceremony with city officials marking the closing of the library and the removal of the mural. Skilled conservationists are gently removing the dirt and residue that has accumulated over the years, restoring the original colors and textures, and making any necessary repairs before sealing the two massive panels with a protective varnish. In 2020, the restored painting will be returned to its place in the Great Hall.
My feeling is that underneath the mural, that performance space, it's going to become synonymous with gathering spaces in the city where members of the public will say, hey, where do you want to meet? Let's meet underneath the mural.
Follow the modernization of the Martin Luther King Jr. Memorial Library at dclibrary.org/MLK Future.